Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science. So, today's topic is calcification. So, let's start. What is the meaning of calcification? Anyone? Tell me, what is the meaning of calcification? First is definition. Deposition of calcium anywhere in the body is known as calcification. Clear है? Now, types. What are the types of calcification? There are two types of calcification. One is physiological calcification. Second is pathological calcification. Now, what are the meaning of physiological calcification? Where is physiological calcification present? We already discussed about definition. What the meaning of calcification means? There is deposition of calcium salt anywhere in the body is known as calcification. Basically, there are two types. One is physiological calcification, another one is pathological calcification. What is the meaning of physiological calcification? There is also a definition, means deposition of calcium salts in bone, enamel and tissue is known as physiological calcification. डेफिनेशन क्लियर हुआ आप लोगों को? एनी क्वेरी? Another one is pathological calcification. Before, the example of physiological calcification is deposition of calcium salt in catechroma and necrotic conditions. Another one is pathological calcification. Pathological calcification is again two types. One is dystatic and another one is metastatic. calcification is present and where metastatic calcification is present. In distatic calcification, it is present in dead and necrotic tissue with hypercalcemic level. Means in distatic calcification there is level increasing of calcium. Means ये आपको डेड और नेक्रोटिक टिश्यू में मिलेगा डिस्टाटिक कैल्सिफिकेशन एंड मेटास्टेटिक कैल्सिफिकेशन आपको मिलेगा नॉर्मल टिश्यूज में. विथ नॉर्मल कैल्शियम लेवल, हाइपर कैल्सिमिक लेवल. These are the difference of distatic calcification and metastatic calcification. What are the examples of metastatic calcification? There is example is kidney stone, in which calcium level is increased and form the renal stone. Now we talk about morphology in calcification. Morphology. There is irregular, granulous deposition, in tissue and cells. So these are the morphology in the cases of calcification. So these are the all about today's session. In next session we discuss